If you ever shaved your dog before, then you know better than to do it in the house. Never mind, do it on the kitchen carpet. But with this device, you can. So let's show you how this works and how effective it is at grooming your dog and not making a mess. You're going to get 9 different attachments with this device to be able to cut hair, comb the hair, pull hair off, just to agitate the skin and with a rubber head here. Cut nails, trim them down with this grinder. Trim the hair right around their feet and toes with this small little clipper here. Brush out knots and matted hair with this device here, all the while vacuuming. And then just a brush head here to vacuum and clean up all after you're done. The unit itself has 4 speed modes plus a turbo. So it's got a ton of suction pressure to be able to pull all that hair into this bin that you can just easily remove and clean when you're done. Right on the back here, there is a latch you detach and then lift it up and the whole thing comes out. It's a large enough container. It's 3.5 liters. So you could easily shave 1 or 2 dogs and before you have to change it and clean it all out. It's got filters down there to keep everything nice and clean and keep the hair in the bin and not all over your house. Power for the clippers is right in the cord. So you just plug it in here like this. And you've not only got electricity to drive the machine here, but you've also got the suction coming through here to take all the hair down through this hose and into the bin. And you've got 3 power settings, 1, 2, 3, and turbo. And the nice thing about that, on all 3 settings, it's nice and quiet. They've got some good sound deadening in here, so that way your dog doesn't get frightened. The sound of the clippers is very mild. You're going to be able to do your trimming and your dog grooming without your dog freaking out because the vacuum cleaner is blowing too noisy. And there you go. You can see all the hair that we collected. It's all blowing around in there when you turn it on to the high power. You see it start flying around. Looks like a cotton candy machine. But overall, yeah, this thing works really great. Wish I had it a long time ago because I used to have to shave him outside because the hair just goes everywhere. But this makes the job so easy. So hey, I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about this 9-in-1 dog grooming solution. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, I hope you have a great day.